Customers want to reduce the time it takes to get to a tangible result that affects the business, that improves their business. And so that's one of the things that excites me about what ChaosSearch is doing here specifically, is that automatic indexing, being able to take the data as it is in their bucket, index it, and keep that index fresh, and then allow for the customers to innovate on top of that and see what works, and then double down on the things that really do work to drive that business.
3 steps: connect to us, you give us read-only access to those buckets, and a place to write the indexing. All that stuff is in your S3. It never comes out. And then basically you set up, do you want to do live, or do you want to do real-time analysis, or do you want to go after old data? We do the rest. We ingest, we normalize the schema, and basically we give you RBAC and a refinery to give the right people access. You know, if you think about our platform for clients, what's a better data lake than S3? You're not going to get a better cross curve, right? You're not going to get a better parallelism. And so, or security, it's in your, a virtual environment. But and also you can keep data in the right location. So Blackboard's a good example. They're like, you guys handled all the influx. And if you think about it, it's the shoulders of giants being on top of an Amazon platform, which is amazing. You're not going to get a more cost-effective data lake in the world. And it's continuing to fall in price. And it's a cost curve like no other, but also all that resiliency, all that security, and the parallelism you can get out of an S3 Glacier is just, bar none, is the most scalable environment. And what we do is a thin layer. It's a data platform that allows you to have your data now fully searchable and queryable using your tools.
I just think that capability reduces the amount of what I might call undifferentiated heavy lifting, and instead allow customers to really focus on, here's the idea, let's try to get this into production or into a test environment as quickly as possible to see if this can really drive some value for our business.
So Armor Security is a security as a service company. Thousands of clients doing great, beautiful platform. They won Rackspace as a partner. So now imagine 1,000 clients, but now, massive scale they have to keep up with. So that would be an example of another example where we were able to come in and they were facing a major upgrade of their environment just to keep up. And they expose actually to their customers, this is how their customers do log analytics. What we're able to do is simply, because they didn't go below the API, they use the exact same tool set on top, and in 30 days replace that use case, save them a tremendous amount of dollars. But now they're able to go back and have unlimited retention. They used to restrict their clients to 14 days. Now they have an opportunity to do a bunch of different things, possible revenue opportunities and other, but allow them to look at their business differently and free up their team to do other things. And now they're putting billing and other things into the same environment with us. What we do is a hard work of making the data platform scalable, but more importantly, give you the APIs that you're used to. So it's the platform that you don't have to change what your end users are doing. So we're kind of invisible behind the scenes.